Good day everyone! Today's activity is about finding the absolute location of some countries in the world as well as the provinces here in the Philippines. But first, let me define what an absolute location is. An absolute location describes precise location of a place based on the fixed point on Earth. The most common way to define a location is by using coordinates such as the latitude and the longitude. Let's try to find the absolute location of the following countries. Let's start with Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is located in Southern Asia, off the southeast coast of India. Sri Lanka is an island that is bordered by the Gulf of Mannar to the west, the Bay of Bengal to the east, the Indian Ocean to the south, and Palk Bay to the northwest. Its absolute location is 7.8731 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 80.7718 degrees east, which is the longitude. It is positioned above the equator. Therefore, it is in the northern hemisphere. Next is Madagascar. Madagascar is situated in the southwestern area of the Indian Ocean, east of the coast of Africa, and about 400 kilometers off the coast of Mozambique. Its absolute location is 18.7669 degrees south, which is the latitude, and 46.8691 degrees east, which is the longitude. Madagascar is a country that lies below the equator. Next is Kenya. Kenya is located in the eastern Africa, which is bordered by the Indian Ocean. Somalia to the east, Ethiopia to the north, South Sudan and Uganda to the west, and Tanzania to the south. Its absolute location is 0.0236 degrees south, which is the latitude, and 37.9062 degrees east, which is the longitude. And of course, Kenya lies astride the equator. Now, let's go to Egypt. Egypt is located in northeastern Africa. Egypt is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea, Libya to the west, Sudan to the south, and Israel and the Gaza Strip to the east. Its absolute location is 26.8206 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 30.8025 degrees east, which is the longitude. Egypt is in the northern hemisphere, with the center of Egypt being roughly 30 degrees north of the equator. Next is Spain. Spain is located in the southwestern Europe. Spain is bordered by the Bay of Biscay, the Balearic Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, and the Alboran Sea. Portugal to the west, and France and Andorra to the north. Its absolute location is 40.4637 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 3.7492 degrees west, which is the longitude. It is located north of the equator, so it is located in the northern hemisphere. Let's now move on to Mexico. Mexico is located in the North America. It is bordered by the Pacific Ocean, the Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico, United States to the north, and Belize and Guatemala to the south. Its absolute location is 23.6345 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 102.5528 degrees west, which is the longitude. It is located in the north of the equator. Next is Seychelles. Seychelles is an archipelago of about 115 islands in the Indian Ocean, northeast of Madagascar. Its absolute location is 4.6796 degrees south, which is the latitude, and 55.4920 degrees east, which is the longitude. The Seychelles is located just below the equator. Let's now move on to Laos. Laos is located in southeastern Asia. It is bordered by Thailand and Myanmar or Burma to the west, China to the north, Vietnam to the east, and Cambodia to the south. Its absolute location is 19.8563 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 102.4955 degrees east, which is the longitude. Laos is an Asian country situated above the equator. Next is Belize. Belize is located in Central America. It is bordered by the Caribbean Sea to the east, Mexico to the northwest, and Guatemala to the west and south. Its absolute location is 17.1899 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 28.4976 degrees west, which is the longitude. It's located in the north of the equator. And last but not the least is Poland. Poland is located in Central Europe. It is bordered by Baltic Sea and Russia to the north, Germany to the west, Czech Republic and Slovakia to the south, and Ukraine, Belarus, and Lithuania to the east. Its absolute location is 51.9194 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 19.1451 degrees east, which is the longitude. Poland is located above the equator. Now, let's try to find the absolute location of some provinces here in the Philippines. The first one is Batanes. Batanes is a province in the Philippines situated in Cagayan Valley region, occupying the northeastern section of Luzon. The capital is the municipality of Basco. Its absolute location is 20.4485 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 121.9708 degrees east, which is the longitude. Next is Laguna. Laguna is a province in the Philippines located in the Calabarzon region in the center of the island of Luzon. The capital is the municipality of Santa Cruz, and its absolute location is 14.1407 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 121.4692 degrees east, which is the longitude. Now, let's go to Bulacan. Bulacan is a province in the Philippines that is located in the central Luzon region. The capital is the city of Malolos, and its absolute location is 14.9968 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 121.1710 degrees east, which is the longitude. Next is Samar. Samar is a province in the Philippines situated in the eastern Visayas region, occupying the eastern section of Visayas. The capital is the city of Catbalogan. Its absolute location is 12.2446 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 125.0388 degrees east, which is the longitude. Now, Bohol. Bohol is an island province of the Philippines located in the central Visayas region. The capital is Tagbilaran City. Its absolute location is 9.8500 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 124.1435 degrees east, which is the longitude. Let's now move on and go to Sulu. Sulu is a province in the Philippines situated in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, occupying the Sulu Archipelago and the provinces of Lanao del Sur and Maguindanao in central Mindanao. Its capital is the municipality of Jolo. Its absolute location is 5.9749 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 121.0335 degrees east, which is the longitude. Next is Apayao. Apayao is a province in the Philippines situated in the Cordillera Administrative Region, occupying the northern central section of Luzon. The capital is the municipality of Cabugao. Its absolute location is 18.0120 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 121.1710 degrees east, which is the longitude. Let's go to Isabela. Isabela is a province in the Philippines situated in the Cagayan Valley region, occupying the northeastern section of Luzon. Its capital is the city of Ilagan. Its absolute location is 16.9754 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 121.8107 degrees east, which is the longitude. And last but not the least is Quirino. Quirino is a province in the Philippines situated in Cagayan Valley region, occupying the northeastern section of Luzon. Its capital is the municipality of Cabarugis. Its absolute location is 16.2700 degrees north, which is the latitude, and 121.5370 degrees east, which is the longitude. That's all. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something today. Goodbye and God bless.